Okay, by double clicking on the diagnostics icon on your desktop, what will open up first is Diagnostics 3.0 in the settings window. You will also have one other window that will open before this window. So it's DXUSER, all in lowercase. If you've never used a database like this on your computer, it may suggest a username for you. It may have your computer name, it may have your personal name, it may have any other type of information you may have used in your Windows operating system as a username. You'll want to delete that and type in the word DX user. And when you do that, it will bring you to this window. In the demo version, you'll have a couple uses, again, for you to review the product, check it out, see if you like it or not. And then if you decide to purchase it, you'll be given a license key that I'll send you through the internet to your email. And you'll want to enter that license key in these 5 boxes. Now, I'm not going to enter a license key because then you'll have a license key for free. And unfortunately, I have to fund this. So when you enter your license key into these 5 boxes, you will click Enter Key. And what will happen is it'll have a nice little window that'll come up and say, congratulations, you've entered an accurate key, and now you are now licensed, a licensed user. And it will look something like this. Okay. Now I'm going to pretend that I entered a license key in here, and I'm just going to put all X's in which, by the way, this will not work if you try this at home. So just a little warning. Let's say that was your license key. When you enter that, this will flash green for valid, and it'll give you a window saying congratulations. Now at this point, you'll be given 5 uses until you activate it. An activation process basically binds the software with your computer and creates an activation code that you send to me through the internet. So I'm going to generate a code now. This code is what you end up sending to me. Now the way you send it to me, in order to activate it, your license key, you click generate code, and then it creates this code for you. And now you have to get this code to me. You click on copy activation code, and then you come over here to the web window, which, by the way, this is a web viewer. This is on the internet. If you do not have internet access, you will not be able to activate via internet, and you'll have to do it via email, which you can click here. But let's assume you have internet for fun, and your name is Jim Jones the third, and let's say your email address is jj3 at therapy.com. And then to paste in your activation code, you'll click a cursor in there. And the easiest way to do is just to hit Control V on your keyboard. Your menu up here will have an edit, and you can paste it in there as well. So either way, Control V or paste. I'll put paste, and it pastes it in that window for you. And then when you submit the form, it basically sends it to me, and I get your activation code. It takes about 5 days to process your code. I'll try to do it faster if I can. And then when you get a confirmation back from me, I'll have an activation key for you, and then you'll enter that key in here. You'll click confirm code, and you'll have a valid activation verification. Let me pretend that my activation code is this. I click confirm code, and it flashes valid, saying that I now have a valid piece of software. And when it reloads, it will say full version, full access, unlimited use. And now you can use it at will.